Well, hi everybody. Today is a day when there is RBI policy also, and the market data is telling you that at present the traders are not committing to a directional trade. Now, what that means is that if it was a bullish trade, and I would have seen good sort of writing happening, is not happening, did not happen on Tuesday. That tells me a simple fact that traders right now they're doing a hedge trade, they're going long in index futures, and that's not a sign that they're actually very extremely bullish on the markets. They're just playing a very cautious trade on index futures. And that's why I would say that you have to be very cautious in PSU banks. They're looking very weak, trading below major support levels. And then also, if you're going to take a look at the Nifty, at present the market breadth is good, positive. I'm not actually concerned about that. Mid caps, small caps are looking good. In terms of if I wanted to actually trade on long in terms of index futures, I won't do that today because the data is telling me that if the markets are really concerned about RBI policy, they might lose steam as we move towards the RBI policy. So better to play on themes today rather than index. And that's why I'm telling you, if you just want to be concerned about the levels, for Nifty again, 9950 would be the resistance. I don't think so the market would be in a mood to go towards that. And that's why 9700 is support. So perhaps both are very far away, and I don't think any of those levels are going to be touched also today. I think if we do see that, and I'm going to get very surprised. Then I think Band Nifty 23,800, that's the level you should be really concerned about. And then again on the upside, 24,300 is where actually the next resistance would come. Now, where is the buying happening? And that's, I think, the most interesting and the more important part of the discussion today is that buying is happening in cement. Good long formations in Dalmia Cement, long formation in India Cements. India Cement actually saw a good bounce from the major support levels. Again, watch out for that stock. And I think Dalmia also basically has seen good sort of accumulation. It's a continuation of a trend. ACC, Ambuja, Ultratech, and then you talked about Sang Industries, and now I'm talking about Dalmia and India Cement. So cement has been on a roll. The next thing would be Bharat Forge. I expect a good, strong, positive reaction. The stock should be doing very well in today's trade. Good truck numbers in the US. I think it's good actually for Bharat Forge. RK Forge, some sort of positive rub off, but if I have to play, I will play on Bharat Forge. Number two would be Natco Pharma, a very strong drug approval for its partner. I think that's very positive for the stock. I think stock might react almost 4 to 10%, and even that range. That's a good, strong, positive reaction is what I'm anticipating. I think Natco Pharma, you should really watch out that stock. I think maybe I think the accumulation could carry out more than today. So I think maybe for the next 2 3 days, I think it's going to look very good. Gas stocks, if I want to play on energy, the trade today is long on gas, cautious on OMC, maybe sentimentally negative on OMC, despite OMC is actually ending at day's high yesterday. So my trade would be avoid OMCs. I don't want to actually be caught in a sentimental trade. What I will focus on is go long on gas. Now, GAIL already has seen good, strong long formations. All the right reasons: tariff hikes, brokerage upgrades. It's complete right mix there. So GAIL, I think, is good. Jewelry again, Titan, PC Jewelers, long formations there, festive season. So those sort of basically levers are working good for the jewelry stocks. Watch out for that stock also. Metal stocks again, Hindustan Zinc, good sort of technical breakout. Technical up move is very strong there. Watch out for that stock. Long formation in the futures again. That's looking very interesting to me. Next would be again gas price hike by MGL, sentimentally positive. It's a cost pass through, and that's why again MGL basically is perhaps because of the gas of move so perhaps could see some sort of positive reaction. Cyan, Greece Cotton, fundamentally two good positive news for the counters. Both have clinched very good important partnerships. Perhaps I think you should be looking at those counters also. But those are more based on the news. I think Cyan is in long term in nature. I think trade wise, the earlier stocks I talked about, I think they're looking much interesting. So I think overall, I think this is the one. I will keep on tweeting if there's anything interesting which I'm liking. Just follow my tweets and keep me posted if you have any sort of query. Take care. Bye bye.